Hey, what's up, Kurdistan? Hey, what's up, all of my Kurds? Somebody call the motherfucking fire department because we about to get lit. You know what I'm saying? I'm back with another absolute banger. You know what I'm saying? Slaw to all of my Kurds here. You know what I'm saying? BZ Kurdistan. You know what I'm saying? Hey, min be mir, zalim, Kurdistani loy. Hey, Zor swap 5 to the Axilium. And we're going to react to the beautiful Bane Şîrwan, you know what I'm saying? Aştî Ezîz Xezel Mistefa. Oh, I never, instead of Mustafa, it's Mistefa. Wow, that's unique. That's a unique. I like that last name. Instead of Mustafa, it's Mistefa. Okay. And the song's called Şîrîn or Şîrîn. But I think it's Şîrîn. Let's see. Okay, so that's Bane with the green dress on. And it's a beautiful melody, beautiful voices, you know what I'm saying, from Bane. Delay. I love this melody. So it's Bane, it's not Bana, it's Bane Şîrwan. I said her name wrong in the beginning. Y'all didn't even tell me. I just realized that. And I know why too, okay? So you ain't gotta explain to me. I'm learning on my own, you know what I'm saying? But you can teach me, you know what I'm saying, little things. Hey, are the Kurdish go? Yeah, I don't know what it is about the melody of Kurdish music, but especially the folk music, I love it. It makes me dance all the time. Delay. Xezel, okay. Love the words. I don't know what they're saying, but it's just so sweet to the ear. I love it. Hey, that right there. Shout out to the motherfucking Medi Empire. You know what I'm saying? Hey, this is Kurdish Munchie. You know what I'm saying? You heard? You know what I'm saying? Keep it Kurdish. You know what I'm saying? Because there ain't nothing like some good old Kurdish music and Kurdish culture. You know what I'm saying? I love their outfits. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to, what was his name? Mr. Aştî. You know what I'm saying? I love the Kurdish folk outfit. What's the name of it? I keep forgetting. I don't know why. You know what I'm saying? But Bane definitely looked beautiful. And Xezel, wow. She the one that really gave it like that classic, I don't know what they were saying. They were saying something with an S. And like, see. It was like, I don't know, it blew me away. You know what I'm saying? Very harmonizing, melodic sound, you know what I'm saying, from these beautiful Kurdish voices, you know what I'm saying, from these beautiful Kurdish singers. And you're not ganging with the Kurdish gang. I'll see you guys in the next reaction video. Smash that like button, make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notifications. The rain is distracting me a little bit, so you see me like kind of messing up a little bit when I'm trying to speak. That's because the rain is a little loud. But you know what I'm saying? La 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 la. Easy, Kurdistan, Kurdistan,